This is the stereo I'm going to install. Just a Bluetooth multimedia player with radio. This will fit perfectly in there since it's got a small design. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take our trim piece, mark it out. And since this is a soft plastic, I should be able to easily take my time and take multiple cuts with just my utility G9. Test fit and trim as needed. A little bit off of this side. And she fits. So for the wiring plug, since I didn't have color-coded wires, my red is going to be white, my yellow memory wire will be black, and my ground wire will be green. This was just an old extension cord. I took the coating off. So this white wire, which will be my red accessory switch wire from the stereo itself, will hook up to your brown wire by your key switch. Then my black wire, which will be my yellow wire from the car stereo, and that's a constant 12 volt, so that'll hook directly to the battery. And the green wire is my ground wire, negative. I could have attached it somewhere on the body, but I still ran a wire all the way back to the negative post. Now next, plug in your stereo. Slide it into the holder. So it clicks. And it's installed. I ran a temporary house speaker because the speakers I ordered have not come in yet. When they do, I'll show how I hook them up and where I put them. And as you can see, this will work on the key switch. Also, I need to get an antenna for you. When I shut the key switch off, the radio turns off. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.